fist. Ah, there she goes. There goes the chase. The chase is on. She couldn't get up that hill with that boot in her mouth.
Throw him in all sweaty, it's even better.
Yeah, exactly.
DJ.
DJ still got it.
Oh.
There they go, the lion chase. He gets annoying now. She always does this.
Saw that. I used it on the video camera. There we go.
Oh, somebody got two. Oh, dropped it. Fumble. They're after it.
Should have got that jump.
Yeah.
Which over here?
Right above you. Got your prize now, do you? Are tigers usually taller than lions?
Being a male, he's going to be larger. Being a tiger, he's going to be larger.
Oh, well, that's true. I forgot about that.
But in general, the males are larger than females in all species. Lions and tigers, to
The
me,
shoe is
tigers-
available.
Yep, you got it. Done. Look at Peps Poops is still going to go get TJ. Man, I can't win.
Come here. They're coming after us now. Come here. Come on.
But as far as shoulder to shoulder, I think the lions are a little bit taller than the tigers are. But when tigers